Hi, my name is Jay Burmeister, and I'm from Wayne State University and Carmenos Cancer Institute. F is for fluoroscopy. Fluoroscopy is a type of X-ray imaging where X-rays are used to make images in real time. Fluoroscopy uses similar equipment to standard radiography, but in fluoroscopy, X-ray images can be taken repeatedly in order to obtain a live movie of a patient's internal anatomy. To keep dose to the patient low, each fluoroscopy image uses significantly fewer X-rays than in standard radiography. That means each individual image with fluoroscopy is not as high quality as standard radiography, but this technique can be incredibly useful in the field of interventional radiology, where it is used to guide a wide range of minimally invasive procedures, such as the insertion of catheters or stents in blood vessels, or the taking of biopsies.
Hi, my name is Adam Yock, and I'm at Vanderbilt University Medical Center. G is for gamma camera. A gamma camera is a machine that takes two-dimensional pictures of a process happening inside the patient using a special kind of radioactive drug called a radiopharmaceutical. Gamma cameras detect photons from the radioactive drugs in the patient's body. These photons escape the patient's body and they enter the camera after they pass through holes in a lead shield called a collimator. Gamma cameras are an important imaging tool that can be used to help diagnose disease, monitor health function, and image other physiological processes.
My name is Wes Culberson, and I'm at the University of Wisconsin-Madison. H is for half-life. Half-life is the time required for a quantity of radioactive material to decay to half its initial value. After 7 half-lives, you will have less than 1% of the original quantity. Half-life is a term used to describe how quickly unstable atoms undergo radioactive decay. For each half-life, the original starting quantity will decrease to half its original value, so that after 1 half-life, you will have 50% of the original quantity. After 2 half-lives, you will have 25% of the original quantity, and so on.
My name is Titania Juang, and I'm at UC San Diego. I is for iodine-131. Iodine-131, also abbreviated as I-131, is a radioactive isotope of the element iodine. Iodine-131 was discovered in 1938 at the University of California, Berkeley. In practical use, iodine-131 is a radiopharmaceutical used to treat hyperthyroidism and thyroid cancer. Our thyroid glands uptake iodine naturally when we ingest it, and the radioactive version ablates the thyroid gland. In the case of thyroid cancer, it also destroys the cancer cells.
My name is Abby Besemer, and I'm at the University of Nebraska Medical Center. J is for justification. The definition of justification is the action of showing that something is right or reasonable. The International Atomic Energy Agency safety standards requires involvement of a medical physicist to provide expertise with respect to radiation protection of the patient. In medical physics, the process of justification is used to determine whether a medical procedure will take place or not. The goal of justification of a medical procedure involving radiation is to avoid unnecessary exposure to ionizing radiation. Determining the appropriateness of a medical procedure is an evidence-based approach that chooses the best test for a specific scenario, taking into account efficacy of the procedure versus alternative procedures that do not use ionizing radiation.